Triple Crown Growth is a beet pulp-based formula that provides 15% protein, 10% fat, and 15% fiber. Often referred to as a super fiber, beet pulp contains lower starch and sugar levels and is an easily digestible fiber source. Designed for weanlings, yearlings, broodmares, and breeding stallions, Growth provides more calories through high-quality fat and fiber and reduces the need for higher carbohydrate levels. These lower carbohydrate levels help growing horses experience more consistent growth patterns and healthier joints through their life. Triple Crown Growth should be fed to growing horses along with free access to good quality pasture or hay, fresh clean water, and plenty of free exercise. For nursing foals, we recommend 1% of body weight up to 400 pounds. For example, 3 pounds per day for a 300-pound foal. For weanlings and older, we suggest starting with 6 to 8 pounds per day and adjusting as needed to maintain ideal body condition. If less than 5 pounds are being fed on a regular basis per day, because a horse is an easy keeper, add a half to 1 pound of Triple Crown 30% ration balancer. This will ensure adequate vitamin and mineral intake for sound growth. Triple Crown Growth, like all of our formulated feeds, contains Equimix. Equimix is a unique blend of yeast cultures, organic minerals, prebiotics, probiotics, and digestive enzymes to help optimize intestinal function, improve the immune system, and protect against mycotoxins and pathogenic bacteria. Please see our video on Equimix for more details. For more information on Triple Crown Growth or any other Triple Crown product, please call or email us at 1-800-451-9916 or info@triplecrownfeed.com. You can also visit our website at www.triplecrownfeed.com.